Good morning, kindergarten. It is Monday, April 27th. We are going to do our phonics page, so please take out page 199, and on the back is page 200, and grab yourself a pencil. It says, choose the word that best completes each sentence and write it in the blank. So look at this. We have AR. We all know that AR says R because that's what we learned last week or the week before. It's a bossy R, and this word just has a short A, okay? So we have st, R, and st, amp. Star and stamp. Well, I can look at the picture, and I see this girl sticking something on an envelope, and I can tell you it looks like a stamp to me. So I'm going to guess that Jane has a stamp, not a star. So I need to write the word stamp on the line. I'm going to do it in my most amazing computer mouse penmanship. And you're going to do it in your most amazing penmanship with a pencil at home. All right. Now we've used stamp, so that word's off the table. I only have the word star left, and I can see here this boy is pointing to the star. I see a star. ST. We have that ST blend that says st. And then we have the A that's controlled by the R, and so it says R, st, R. Okay, for number 2, we have a bunch of vowels to mark. Remember that if my word has 2 vowels, the first vowel gets a line, and the second vowel is crossed out. So, this first word they've already marked for me, it is cube. Over here, I have the word cup. There's only one vowel, so the vowel gets the little smile. All right, here I have an O followed by an A. The O says its name and the A is silent, coat. In this word I have just the U. The U says a bug. Here I have an O with a magic E. The E, I didn't cross out very well. Let's get him crossed out better. The E is silent. The word is rose. Oop, another magic E. The O gets a line. The E gets crossed out. The word is note. Boy, lots of magic E's today. U gets a line. The E is silent. Rule. Rule. Oop. Only one vowel here, just an O, so it says a short sound. It's p-op, pop. Here I have a U followed by an I. The I will be silent. The U will say its name. Suit. Magic E makes the U say its name. The word is tube. Coming down here, I have just one vowel. I have d, I, sh. I have the digraph SH that says sh. In this word, I have just one vowel. It's a U, and it says gum. An I consonant, and then an E. There's that magic E that makes the I say its name. The word is ripe. Another magic E word, cane. And look at this. Another one, vase. The rule of magic E is a vowel followed by a consonant followed by an E. And that E is silent so that the vowel in the front can say its name. All right, flip your page over. And we're going to do the back side. Okay, for here it says, circle the special sound you hear. Do they give me any? I think these are all blends. That special sounds is just crazy. It's not a special sound. Every sound is special. It's a blend. That's the real name. Let's call it by its real name, okay? All right, circle the blend you hear. All right, so this first one is a clock. What do I hear at the beginning of clock? I hear cl, cl. That sound is made by the CL. The next picture is a tree. Tr, tr, tr. I hear the TR. This is a flower. Fl, fl. I hear the FL. In this I have grass. So I hear gr, gr. That is the GR. Then I have a broom. Broom, br. The BR. And then I have smile. And that's made by the sm. Okay, now, for this last part, it says, read each sentence and do what it says. All right, so we've got to read these. This leaf needs a stem. So guess what I better do? There's a stem. Oh man, that is beautiful. I'm real proud of myself on that. I hope yours looks as good as mine. Now it says make the stem brown. Well, you know what I got to look for? I got to look for something like a brown. You guys remember my brown on the computer is not very brown. It's pretty much just a pale yellow. So pretend that I am using a beautiful brown crown. This is kind of like class where all of our browns are broken. We'll just pretend like all my brown crayons are broken. So I had to use yellow. Okay, the next sentence says, make a red bug on the leaf. Oh boy, this is gonna get tricky. They want me to get super fancy now, don't they? So I gotta make a red bug on this leaf. There's my little bug. He's not gonna get real fancy. And he's gonna have red legs, so I don't have to change him 100 times. It's supposed to be a little ladybug, but it really just looks like a mess on my leaf. So I was proud of my stem. I'm not proud of my bug. I hope your bug looks more like a bug than mine. Sorry. And then the last thing I have to do is make the leaf green. So I've got to change colors again, find my green crayon, and this time I need to color the leaf green. And I'm just going to outline mine so you guys get the point. And what you need to do on yours is go ahead and color that whole leaf in green. Okay, that's all we're doing today for phonics. So finish up your page and you are all done. Have a great day, guys.